Hello guys, welcome back once again to this channel, Rex TV. Please subscribe to this channel if you haven't subscribed, and like this video. Comment on the comment section how useful this video is to you after watching it. Alright, so thank you so much for coming back once again to this channel. What we'll be designing today is the Happy Children's Day flyer. So all you need to do after installing your Pixelab is to open it. Once you open it, change the background color to white like we've done here. Change it to white, and then let's import the materials we'll be using for this design. So you go to this place, go to import, let's import the material. This is the first material we'll be using. Mark good, increase the size, and then get a shape. So you go to shapes, select this square shape, and then increase the size also. Position it to the back, move it to back, and then change the color. You go down to color, enable it, change the color to blue, change it to this blue. Good. Increase the size again. Sorry, you can equally select it from here, then increase the size, and then make it to be at the middle. Good. Also select this and increase the size. Can do it this way. Good. So after doing that, you tap here, then select these two objects now and merge them together. Good. Once you're done with this, you go down to erase color, enable it. All these white colors will be gone immediately you enable it. Alright, so you can just change the color of this background to make sure it is white. Can you see that all the white colors are gone now? So let's change it back to white. Good. So the next material we'll be using for this design, we are going to be importing it. So like we did before, you go here, tap on import, so this is the material here. Mark good, bring it down here, adjust it a little, and then move it to back. Have you seen it? You can equally position it using this. Let's position them. So just move it down a little to adjust it well. So once you're done with it, we are going to merge it together. So you can just tap here, and then select these two and tap here to merge it together. Okay, so we're done with merging this. Let's change the let's not merge it yet. Good. So change the color of this. Let's change the color of this to white. So you go down to color, enable it, and then select white. Good. You can equally adjust it the way we did it before. Also adjust this one. Good. So we are done with this. You can now merge it now. So let's tap here, select these two, and then merge them. Good. Sorry. So you can equally lock this to stop moving about. Good. So the next thing we'll be doing here is we are going to import another material from our gallery. So you can just tap on import. Let's look for the material. So you can just select it, mark good, increase the size. You can use this relative size to increase it up to 100%. Then use this relative position to position it well using these two icons here, these two ones here. Good. So what we do now, we go down to 3D rotate. Rotate it. Use this y-axis to rotate it this way. Have you seen it? It was this way, so you rotate it this way. Good. So we are done with this. The next thing we'll be adding here is the text. So you can just go to A, tap on text, and then edit it. So the first text we'll be adding here is happy. Sorry, let's move this on. Happy. Done. Okay, so you bring it up here, increase the size a little, and then go down to AB font. This is the font to be using. Change it to this font, or you can equally search your font, the font in your apps, to select a more fancier font. Alright, so once you're done with it, you go down to color and then change the color to black. See, it's now pure, unlike before. So you move it up here and then take another text, edit it, add children's. Done. Okay, so you go down to AB font, select this font. If you're using the normal Pixelab, you select meme font, MEME. The meme font will be good for this. Select it and then adjust it this way. Good. Also reduce the size of this a bit. Just position it. Good. Once you're done with this, then you copy it and then edit it. Add day. Done. Okay, so you bring this also here. Let's move these things down to have more space. Just move them down this way. Good. Good. Then reduce the size of this a bit and also adjust it. Good. So let's change the color of this. So you can just go down to color and then select this same blue we are using. Good. Also copy this text, edit it, add the date, which is 27th May. Done. Okay, so you have to reduce the size. Go down to size and then reduce it. Use this position to position it to be inside this circle. Alright, good. So also copy this day text, copy it and then move it down here, edit it. The text we'll be adding here is children are blessings from the Lord. Done. Okay, so just adjust it here and then reduce the size. Reduce the size. Reduce the size, then go down to spacing. Increase the spacing between the letters. Have you seen that? Good. Good. So you can just move it to be at the middle with this, then position it with this. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you want to save this design, you can just tap here, save it as image, save it with PNG and Ultra, then save to gallery. It's saving, so let's wait a little. Done. So the image is saved now. If you go to your gallery, you will see it there. Thank you so much for watching this video. If this video is useful to you, please don't forget to subscribe and like this video. Also comment on the comment section how useful this video is to you. So thank you so much for watching this video. God bless you.